Today we have a 2005 Honda Civic and we're going to be replacing the high pressure power steering hose. So here's the power steering hose from AutoZone. It has standard fitting on one side that goes into the rack. And there's another fitting here for the pressure sending unit. And then this part here goes into your pump. And it comes with a couple O-rings. The big O-ring goes on here, the little O-ring goes. And then of course we need some power steering fluid, the Asian style. Alright, so here's the part number 80364, and that's it. Now the problem we have here is that this line from right here goes down here. This one right here is leaking out this top. Right here. And it was really hard to figure out because it was spraying fuel it was spraying the power steering fluid everywhere, and I couldn't figure out where it was coming from. But it's coming when you have the car running, it's coming out of here. It's just like seeping out. It's crazy. And then it drops down, it goes all over everywhere because then it hits the alternator. And it just makes a complete mess everywhere. So then it connects. Here is the sending unit right there, and then alright, first thing we're going to do is take this plug off. Alright, so we got that off. I got a 10 millimeter with an extension to go onto that hole down. Okay, get the bolt. There we go, right there. See where I have the wrench? That's the fitting you got to take off, and it's a 14. You can see there's stuff coming out already. That's a 14 millimeter wrench. You can use a flare nut wrench like this, or a regular wrench, 14 millimeter, and that's where you take it off. All right, now. Put the back part off. Get the front part off. There it is. Two 10 millimeter bolts on here. Bolts. And we just gotta take the sensor off here. Put the new one on. Alright, we figured out where the little O-ring goes. It goes on the sending unit. Right there. So take that off. Okay. We got the new O-ring on. Alright, so now put this sending unit in here. Tighten that baby down. O-ring on this side. Yeah, everything's on. Alright, now you can see that I got the new one in here. Right there. And the bolt is on, the retainer is on, and the fitting is into the rack. So we're good on that side. And now I just got to put this part back on, and we're good to go. Oh, and also I need to put that electrical plug back in, and that's it. So this is it right here. Alright, now once you have it all put back together, you make sure you got your Asian style Prestone power steering fluid. Get this from AutoZone as well. And then you fill it up right here. Turn on the car, start the engine, and then put the steering wheel back and forth, not lock to lock, but just about like this, you know, a bunch of times to get the air out, and then fill it back up, and then that's it, you're good to go. And I just checked it, and I'm not getting any leaks from here or from in the back, and everything is good to go. So that's how you fix your leaky high pressure. This is the high pressure line right here. Like I said before, if it's leaking, it's probably leaking right out the top here, somewhere in that hose. So that's it. If you like this video, please like my channel, Cars and Coding, and subscribe to my channel, and you'll see lots of other cool how-tos for this Honda Civic, because it needed a lot of work. Bye.